Welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's Backend Theme, the Arc theme powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand 5 different features which make this application a very unique one and definitely more beneficial. So the features are 3 list view densities, double click edit option, refresh button, magnifier and full screen option, chatbox layout switch. To start with, we'll be starting with the density options. For that, we already have this default density view which you can see on the screen as of now. Except this, we have 2 more density views. You can see this. For that, I'm just entering the settings. Here we have default, comfortable and attachments. Default you can already see on the screen. Comfortable, I'll just apply. This makes the list items more comfortable to view. Basically, it enhances the size of that. Going with the third, that is the attachments. Attachment basically helps us to see all the attachments which are hidden into the list view. So for an example, you can see this item is having the list, any attachment into this, and I have got that on the screen only. After this, we have refresh button. Refresh button basically helps us to refresh the data entries which are done at any point of time. So this is the refresh button. We can use it at any point of time. After this, we have double click edit option. For this, I'll go to the settings. We have already enabled that. So this basically helps us to double click on any of the item record and we can edit that. So here comes the edit option. Going after this, we have full screen and magnifying option. So full screen, this button is called as the full screen button. Once I click this, you can see this has set up into the full screen. Now I've come out of it. After this, we have magnifier option, which increases or decreases the size of the items. You can see this. So I'll set it on default, which is the 100. Last but not the least, we have the chatbox layout switch. For that, we have to click on any of the record and you can see there is a chat below that. Except this, we have one more option, one more layout in which this chatter shifts to the right of the screen. For that, I'll click on the right and I'll apply this. So once we apply this, we can see the chatter has come on the right side. One more benefit of this is that we can adjust the screen size as per our requirement. All these are the features which make this application, which makes this theme one of the strongest theme, and definitely your ERP looks beautiful and most customized. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help. For any further queries or questions, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.